The Adaptive Cruise Not Available warning appears in Ford vehicles when the Adaptive Cruise Control System detects a problem that prevents safe operation. This warning is most commonly seen in Ford models from 2017 onwards, including the F-150, Explorer, Escape, Edge, and Mustang Mach-E. Ford's Adaptive Cruise Control System uses two main components to function: forward-facing radar sensors and a front-facing camera that work together to maintain speed and distance from other vehicles. There are four main categories of problems that can trigger this warning. The most common cause, accounting for 60% of cases, is sensor obstruction. Environmental conditions account for 25% of cases, including heavy rain, snow, fog, or extreme temperatures that affect sensor performance. System calibration issues represent 10% of cases, typically occurring after a collision, battery disconnection, or when the system requires recalibration. Hardware malfunctions are the least common cause at only 5% of cases, involving faulty radar sensors, camera module failures, or wiring harness problems. While Ford has released software updates through the Sync system to address some recurring issues, most problems still require physical intervention, such as cleaning sensors or professional diagnosis. Now we'll walk through the step-by-step troubleshooting process to fix your Ford's Adaptive Cruise Control warning. Step 1 is cleaning all sensors. Your ACC sensors are located in the front grille or lower bumper area. Use a soft cloth with mild soap solution to remove any dirt, snow, ice, or debris. Don't forget the windshield camera area. Clean the windshield thoroughly, especially behind the rearview mirror, where the camera is typically located. Next, perform a complete system reset. Turn off your vehicle completely, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then restart. This allows the system to recalibrate and often resolves temporary glitches. Check environmental conditions. Avoid using adaptive cruise control in heavy rain, snow, fog, or extreme temperatures. The system is designed to disable itself in unsafe conditions. If the warning persists, try advanced troubleshooting. Access your Sync system's driver assistance settings to perform a sensor calibration reset. Check for software updates through Ford Sync services. Install any available ACC-related updates, as Ford regularly releases improvements to address known issues. Seek professional help if the warning persists after cleaning and resetting, if there's physical damage to sensor areas, or if the warning appears with other system alerts. Here are typical repair costs. Basic diagnostics run $100 to $150. Sensor replacement ranges from $300 to $800 per sensor. Camera module replacement costs $400 to $600. Prevent future issues with regular maintenance. Perform weekly visual inspections of sensor areas, monthly thorough cleaning, and keep your Ford Sync software updated. This simple routine prevents most ACC problems.